girls, is everyone here?
Attention passengers, please proceed to boarding. Wait, where are our tickets? You have them, Mira?
No, I don't have them.
Oh my god.
Girls, here are your tickets. 1, 2, 3. Where's Lali? Lali, that's who we forgot.
She probably overslept.
Someone needs to wake her up right now. Lali, wake up.
Leave me alone. I'm sleeping.
But Lali, you're gonna miss your flight.
A flight?
Yes, here's your ticket.
Oh no, I'm late. Quick, where are my things? Why didn't anyone wake me? What do I do?
Here's your suitcase.
I have to pack right now. Okay, this is useful. This too. Oh, nothing fits. Lou, where are you, you little troublemaker? Phew, there you are. Oh wait, where are my sunglasses and visor?
Maybe you can take these?
Those aren't stylish at all. What do I do?
I'll make some right now.
Will we have time?
Of course, don't worry. Let's see what's in our little backpack. We have wire, rhinestones, a visor template, and a heart pattern. And this plastic backpack will come in handy too. Remove the zipper. Trace the heart shape on the plastic and cut it out. We need 2 lenses for the glasses. Cut a piece of wire and bend it into a frame. Glue our lenses on and decorate with rhinestones. Lali is gonna love these. From the leftover plastic, we make a sun visor. It's going to match the glasses perfectly. Cut a strap from glitter foam sheet and glue it to the visor. Lali, no sun can bother you now. The rhinestone. Here's your ticket and bag. Lali Air Airlines. Hurry up.
Thank you, LaLiLu. I'm running. Hey girls, I made it. Here's my ticket and bag.
Wow, Lali, the pink glasses are everything.
And the matching visor? Woohoo! We're going on vacation.
Hi, Lou. You're coming with us too? Attention, passengers. Please have your tickets ready.
Here you go.
And here's ours. Let me check those. Please walk through the scanner.
I'm first.
I'm right behind you.
Me too. See y'all on board.
Hurry, girls, grab your seats.
So many people. All the normal seats are taken. Am I seriously supposed to sit in this? Cardboard seats? So cringe. What do I do? Oh, I have an idea. LaLiLu, let's craft me a seat. I've got materials in my suitcase.
We'll need some dish sponges. Assemble them into a chair.
LaLiLu, I found these sponges too. Heart-shaped.
Amazing. We'll use them for the armrests.
And this one has rhinestones. Look how many rhinestones I have.
Then let's cover the whole chair in them.
This is absolutely dazzling. Nobody has a chair this fabulous. Time to bring it to the plane. I'll put it right here. LaLiLu, please remove that cringe piece. Now that's more like it.
Drinks. Lali, would you like something? Lali.
Oh, yes, please. Thank you. Now what should I do? Of course, I need my diary. And I have this cool coloring page. Pencils? Check. I love coloring so much.
Zoe, look at that.
Oh, wow.
We want one too.
My notebook has lots of different coloring pages.
Lali, can you share some?
Sure, I have a few extra ones in various themes. Enjoy, girls.
Now we actually have something to do.
Time flies when you're drawing. Do you like coloring too? Find more cool ideas in my notebook.
Attention, please remain in your seats. We are beginning our descent.
Yay, we finally landed!
I want to get in the pool so badly.
Wait for me! We need to find the changing room. Oh, look, a sign! This way! Go ahead, girls. I'll take a quick selfie first.
Lali!
What's wrong?
We have a problem. Come here. I think we forgot our swimsuits.
Oh no, not that!
We unpacked all the suitcases. This is mine, this is Rumi's, this is Mira's. There are no swimsuits anywhere.
What do we do? But I'll fix it. I have my Lali notebook.
Oh, wow. Amazing. This is our salvation.
First, let's sketch the designs. Check these out. Okay, I need some balloons.
Here, Lali.
Cut off the neck. Now let me show you a life hack.
Interesting.
Just a sec. Ta-da!
Lali, you did great, but the sketch also shows pink inserts.
How do we make those?
Also from a balloon. Here.
Give me a second. How does it look?
Amazing. Now let's add bows.
And rhinestones.
Goes without saying. And a fringed sarong.
What an incredible look. The swimsuit, sarong, glasses, and visor, all my style.
Wow, Lali. What a stunning look. I want one too.
Let me sketch one for you. What do you think?
This is absolutely slaying.
LaLiLu, are there more balloons?
Of course. Remove the neck and make cuts. The bottoms are ready. Perfect fit. Take another balloon and make slits. And there's a great little top.
Now let's decorate. Draw a pattern with a permanent marker.
Wow, so beautiful.
Let's compare to the sketch. Still need some gems, like this.
It's stunning. Mira's swimsuit is incredible.
Make sketches for us too. Of course, girls. Here you go.
Oh wow, LaLiLu, can you help us? No problem. We'll make your swimsuits from balloons too. Perfect. Let's add rhinestones. Absolutely dazzling.
And let's add sarongs. Now all the looks are complete.
Now that everyone's ready, let's get to the pool.
Yay, let's run! Oh, I just want to swim so badly. Wow, what a line! Big brain moment! Where is she going? LaLiLu, I urgently need a pool.
We'll make one from this box.
I can't do it.
Let me help you. There, the box is free.
Awesome. Line the inside with foil insulation.
Cover the outside with fluffy pink fabric.
Wow, so soft.
Let's make the pool personalized.
This is absolutely fire.
Add pom-poms and rhinestones. Totally your style.
Now let's cook up some water.
Let's do it. Pour some white glue into a bowl. Add a little contact lens solution.
Adding some baking soda.
And a squeeze of acrylic paint.
Time to mix it all up. Stir the slime until it's completely smooth. The consistency should be like very thick sour cream.
Lali, but this won't be enough for such a big pool.
Oops, you're right. We need more. Hello, is this a delivery service? We urgently need some slime.
Got an order here for you.
Yay, our slime! That's definitely enough now.
Great work, Lali. Filling our pool with slime. Pearlescent blue and pink here.
LaLiLu, let's add some glitter too.
Great idea. Sprinkle glitter on top. It looks incredible. Absolutely out of this world. Done.
Girls, come over here.
What's going on, Lali?
We now have our very own pool.
Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
Oh wow, move over. Oh, the slime feels amazing. Let's swim. Wow. Thank you, LaLiLu.
What an awesome pool. This is pure bliss. I want to sunbathe.
Looks like you've had your swim. Then we're claiming the float. Hop on, Lou. Let's float together. Hey, Lali! Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Lali, are you okay?
Yeah. Unlike our float. Yeah. Psst, LaLiLu, help!
We'll need to make a new attraction. Lay colorful glue sticks on parchment paper and press with an iron.
Such a cool life hack. I'm showing this to my subscribers.
The glue melted slightly and turned into a flexible mat.
This is gonna get so many likes.
Look at this flexible sheet we made. Build a support frame from wooden sticks. Lali, can you help me?
I'm busy. I found this amazing video and I've already watched it 1,000 times. Write in the comments which life hack you want us to try next.
Attach the slide and add a ladder. Paint everything pink. Add pipe cleaner rails to the sides and decorate with beads. Let's put the slide next to the pool.
Lali, look at this! Oh my, what a slide! Everyone up! I'm first!
Right behind you. Woohoo! This is everything!
I'm jumping! Here it goes! Oops, sorry. Girls, I just had the best idea. Let's have a glitter party. We'll all be sparkling. I love glitter so much.
Cool, Lali.
That was such a great time in the pool.
Now I just want to sunbathe.
Girls, come on. Let's have more fun.
But there's nothing else to do here. Yeah, and we're bored of the pool now.
Fair enough, but I have a vision. This is gonna be so cool. Let's throw a disco ball party. Now, I had some materials somewhere. Found them. Metallic cardboard. Perfect. It'll be easier to work in LaLiLu's studio. Cutting the cardboard into small squares. Look, LaLiLu.
Great job, Lali. But we need a lot more. Let me show you how to do it faster. Take a big sheet of cardboard, mark it up, and draw a grid of squares. Cut it into strips, and then cut those into little squares.
Wow, they're so even, and there are so many. I brought some foil. There.
Thank you, Lali. Tear off a piece and scrunch it up, and shape it into a heart. Apply glue to small sections, and cover the heart with squares one by one. Totally bling.
Wow, literally slaying.
Adding a chain, and done.
girls, look what I brought, a heart-shaped disco ball.
Wow, a disco heart! No way! We're going to have such an amazing party! But who's going to DJ?
Me, obviously. I even have my DJ booth. We're gonna have the best time. Are you all ready? Then let's go.
Wow, this is so much fun!
Yes, absolutely insane.
Look how much fun they're having! Let's go join them. Oh my gosh, that's Lali! Lali, we love you! You're the best! Woo! Can we have an autograph? You're so amazing! Yay, this is a lit! Can we get a photo too?
No problem. LaLiLu, will you take a photo of us?
Smile! Got it!
Great, thank you. Let's stick it in my scrapbook as a keepsake.
Good thinking.
Wow, what a great vacation. I'm definitely writing it down in my journal. If you liked this Lali style vacation, drop a comment and like this video. See you in the next one.
Bye-bye.